Renato, hai visto? Verde, bianco, rosso.
Wow, davvero italiano.
Sì.
Però se devo essere preciso dovresti essere verde, bianco e rosso. Ma va
Vabbè,
bene così.
ok. Allora, salve. We're in the old town of Scalea, which is on the west coast of Calabria, southern Italy. And we're going to show you some 3 units which have had work done, mainly structural work, but require finishing. So we're going down to a place called Via Purgatorio, which is about 2 minutes away from where we are now. What's that? What's behind me? Oh, that is a taverna, a traditional Calabrese restaurant. Cuisine is fantastic, all homemade cooking, and anyone who wants to visit should. One of the other gems that we have, or of the many gems we have in Centro Storico Scalea. This is Via Purgatorio. Some of the houses are actually lived in, and as you can see, some of them are ruins. So we have 3 units here that are for sale, with a little piece of land which you could make into a patio as well. This is the first room. Restoration has already been done, and really all the structural work's done here, apart from maybe communicating with the downstairs. So you've actually got a position there for the fireplace, and as you can see, stupendous views. So it's really just the finishing off, and here they've created a bathroom used as a storage room at the minute. So we're going into the second unit now, which can communicate with the unit we've just come from. And there are 2 rooms here. Again, structurally pretty much done. As you can see from the ceiling, it's been redone. Original fireplace. I think we need some new windows there. That wall there, sorry, again the view, hard to beat. And this wall here, you can punch through and communicate with the room that we've just come from. We're going to drop down now to the basement, and this is quite interesting. At the moment, it's only these steps here that you can get to this part of the building from. Okay, this one, yeah, as you can see, a little bit more rustic. They've dug out a lot of rock. The next room you'll see why. And there you can see it's built into the rock face, and that could make an absolute fantastic feature. And the piece of land I was talking about is directly below, and that would make a great little terrace. And as you can see, the fantastic views from Centro Storico. Okay guys, we'll put a link for more information and the price, etc. Love to hear from you, so place your comments, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.